Stop paying for cable before watching this video. Roku versus cable box. Real differences you must know before cutting the cord. If your cable bill feels painful every month, this video is for you. Many users switch to Roku thinking it is cheaper and easier, but there are critical differences you must understand first. Let us start with what a cable box actually is. A cable box is provided by your cable company. It delivers live TV through a coaxial cable connection. No Wi-Fi is required for basic channels. You pay a monthly rental fee, usually every single month. Channel lineup is fixed, extra channels cost extra money. Now let us talk about Roku. Roku is a streaming device. It works using Wi-Fi internet. No cable line is needed. You install apps like YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and live TV apps. Roku itself has no monthly fee, but some apps may require subscriptions. Here is the biggest difference. Cable box depends on signal from the cable company. Roku depends fully on your internet speed. If your Wi-Fi is slow, streaming will buffer. For smooth streaming, you need at least 10 Mbps internet speed. For 4K streaming, you need 25 Mbps or higher. Live TV comparison is very important. Cable box gives true live TV with zero delay. Roku live TV apps have a delay of 10 to 30 seconds. Sports fans should note this carefully. Picture quality also differs. Cable box quality depends on signal compression. Roku streaming often looks sharper in Full HD and 4K, but only if your internet is stable. Let us talk about cost. Cable box means monthly bill plus box rental. Roku is one-time device cost. You choose what apps to pay for. No forced channel bundles. Ease of use matters. Roku interface is simple and fast. Cable box menus are often slow and outdated. Roku updates automatically through Wi-Fi. Power usage difference is small but real. Roku uses very low power. Cable boxes consume more electricity over time. Who should choose cable box? If your internet is unstable, if you watch a lot of live sports, if you prefer traditional TV channels, who should choose Roku? If you want lower monthly cost, if you have good Wi-Fi connection, if you prefer on-demand content. Final technician advice, do not cut cable blindly. Test your internet first, then decide wisely. This is Tech Vibes. Like, share, and subscribe for real tech clarity.